In this video, we are going to exhibit about the spider chart and the bubble chart. So it is again a more comprehensive chart when it comes to the interpretation part of it. Especially spider chart is used when we have multiple territories and we want to compare each one at the same time using the spread. So over here, the data has been given to us of five companies and three separate categories. One is mobile category, one is laptop category, and one is others category. Uh, so when we try and uh, do an analysis, as in which territory is stronger in terms of what products, then we can have a line chart also, a bar chart also. However, there is one more chart which is more efficient in terms of the analysis, which is a spider chart. Again, the interpretation or the formulation remains simple. You just simply have to select the chart, click on insert, and there is something called a spider over here, and then you simply have to create a spider chart over here. Give a black background and remove the indent or the number part of it. So over here we can easily see that there are uh, five different continents, five different continents which is given to us: Asia, Australia, America, Africa, and Europe. Over here, we can see that the mobile, so America tops the chart. It says that America is the most important market in terms of the mobile. Africa, Europe is the least important markets. Australia is far better than the other markets, and then comes the Asia. So basically this chart where the breadth is more high, where the spike is high, that particular segment is more critical, more crucial. When it comes to laptop market, it says that America is not that important compared to Australia. Australia has the highest number of sales, followed by the Asia and Europe. Similarly, in terms of others, there is a huge spike towards the Australia. So Australia is again a critical market. If I change the numbers a bit, let's put this as 3000. Let's put this as 9000. You can see there is a movement over here. You can see the movement over here. Let's put this as 20,000. Let's put this as 20,000, and let's put this as a 2 lakh. Now you can see the chart has been changed completely. The Africa is the most critical market when it comes to the other products, and the comparatively other products are not that important because Africa dominates the market. So that's why the scale has been reduced drastically. If I scale this down to a 30,000 number, you will see quite a bit of spread in terms of the products. So Africa becomes the important market in terms of other products, followed by the Europe. When it comes to mobiles, America is the critical market. When it comes to laptop, Australia is a critical market. So this chart just basically gives us the breadth, as in where the spread is more or where the web is more in terms of a terminology, which is a spider web. So where the web or where the foothold or where it's our strong area. So basically this depicts that. Then there is something called as bubble chart, which is again a simple chart which basically says that how big is my territory or how big is my share. Again, the fundamental concept remains the same. I just have to select the data, click on insert, click on recommended charts. It's not the bubble chart is not commonly used, so that's why it's not outside. You can have all charts, and then you can have in this XY plus scatter chart. There is in the end, towards the end, there is something called as bubble chart over here. You simply have to click this. It tells you what is my revenue So the number one, which is like a 60,000, you can also have the names and everything over here, which says that 50,000 is for the number one, which is the America's market. You can change this also by the method of by the way of adding this X value over here. So you just have to click on the text option or the label option, and you can add the X value over here. You can also have the value from cells over here, and then you can add this data like we have done in the stack chart, uh, and then click OK. So it will show you the percentages as well. The higher the or bigger the circle, higher the market share. It depends on the size, but technically. So that's how it has been placed over here. So again, this kind of a chart is very useful when we are looking at the data when it comes to comparison with multiple territories. So here we can directly say that America has the highest amount of. We can remove this chart as well, or we can remove this grid lines. We can remove this grid lines as well, and we can have only the chart which says that America is the highest share, followed by the Australia. What percentage also it's depicted over here. We also have the all the information, relevant information which is available to us. So this is primarily done for the comparison purpose. So that's pretty much about the spider chart and the bubble chart. Thank you.